Life in space isn't that easy. No oxygen, falling meteorites, and planets that cannot protect themselves makes it so much harder than it is. On Mars it is exactly that. The atmosphere on Mars consists almost entirely of carbon dioxide. An atmosphere like that can't protect themselves from falling meteorites and dangerous radiation. A resolution for this is a Whipple shield. A Whipple shield is a dome made of different materials that breaks the meteorites in many pieces on impact. A Whipple shield unfortunately doesn't hold back dangerous radiation. These radiation comes from dead stars and are thrown in space because of the supernovas. To solve this, we put a layer of radiation-resistant material underneath the Whipple shield. A whole colonization would be too much for a dome made of a Whipple shield. So for an endless colonization we would build a bunker. A bunker 10 kilometers underground. The first problem you find is water. On Mars you find ice flows and there is water 10 to 20 kilometers underground. You can pump the water up with the same mechanic as oil. The second problem is food. Mars is covered with Mars sand, which is super fertile. But plants can't survive on Mars with only enough oxygen. Plants need more than that. The pressure isn't good for plants to live properly, so we build pressure regulators. The third problem is medicine. People need medicine for ongoing diseases, but people can't harvest most of the substances from only plants. Various types of mold is needed for this process. With mold, you can create most of the important medicine, like diabetes, painkillers, and so much more. To give you an idea of how it's going to look like, we created our own little bunker. The bunker has an elevator and a Whipple shield on the surface for extra protection. Here are some snapshots about the process. We thank you for watching. We will see you next time.